I'm Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, here to talk to you about the grain markets this morning. The corn market. Okay, we're looking at a 40-week cycle low in early January. So, all along here you've got the fund buying of soybeans. What if funds start buying corn? So that interests me, and I'm going to start talking about that as we go forward. Ethanol production is really, really strong. Last week we had record ethanol production. So of the three major demand components of corn, ethanol production is really shining bright here. Feed grain is moving along a little bit, and then exports of corn are doing okay, and certainly this strong dollar can crimp exports going forward. But ethanol production is very positive right now. We're on the cusp of the first 1 billion gallon of U.S. ethanol exported, and the trade is talking about 2 billion gallons in the years ahead of U.S. ethanol export. So good story there. Okay, our first chart of the day, a weekly corn chart. And notice you got 3 weeks of higher highs and higher lows in corn. Now granted, it's been quiet here, and some of the ranges, some days are 3 cents in corn. You can't make this stuff up, this weekly 3 weeks of higher highs and higher lows. And now our next chart of corn is a monthly continuation chart of corn. And we're working on a reversal up this month. So stay tuned to this channel. I'm going to come back on December 30th. We're going to put the same chart pattern here of corn and keep talking to you about that. Okay, the soybean market. That's been the story all along here, and exports have been very good on soybeans, very good in corn too as well. So this continues. This morning as we speak, corn's down 1, soybeans are unchanged here today, but I was really impressed with soybean price discovery yesterday. I'm going to talk a little bit more about that in about 1 minute time. And when soybeans rally, now a lot of grain analysts, they won't tell you to buy soybeans. And at the end of the day, they say soybeans rally because of Argentina weather. Well, that is true. Usually by January 1st, Argentina is 98% planted on their soybeans. They're 57% planted on their soybeans today. So Argentina's got a 2-week window of opportunity to get caught up here. And a major rain event is called for southern Brazil and Argentina early next week. So I think this is going to set the tone for soybeans starting Sunday night and Monday of early next week. So this is all about the managed funds looking for yield, and soybeans have the protein that the world wants, and that's not going to change in our lifetime. Now backing up to yesterday, the dollar was really strong, and that crimped all the commodities. Gold was down $32 yesterday, silver down $1.10, platinum down $50. On days like this, look for the commodity markets that rally, and one of those were soybeans yesterday. So I was really impressed with price discovery on soybeans yesterday when drubbing in commodities across the board here. And that's what bull markets do. They're lower in the morning and they're higher in the afternoon. So we'll continue talking more about this, and everybody have an excellent weekend.